This is video in the sun as many people like. I'm finally going to get my nails done in a few days, so remember them like this. And our new collection for today is cases for iPhone 17. Many people asked me to do it. We also have an iPhone Air here. First of all, these are not glossy sticker bags, and inside we will come across iPhone cases. I'll choose this one. And we will finish one collection. It's called Guess the Millionaire. All other collections should be familiar to you. The Bunker collection. Take the Detective. Paper blockers, I want to take Paper Queen. My favorite collection is My Childhood Dreams. Here I want to take Little Loopsy Pack. This is the previous new collection of the palette. And I want to choose this hamster. A picture from my comments on TikTok. Let's take this first one. 99 in the forest. Can open these two packages until we get the key. And they told me that the key is in package in the comment. I want to start with the collection My Childhood Dreams. I want to try my luck. You might get the number 1, 2, 3 or 7. And I think it's number 7. I think this dream is familiar to many to film all sorts of challenges like other bloggers. I think it was very interesting at the time. Collection with cosmetic for care and decoration. We opened a lipstick from the 80s. This is popular Korean SPF. I want to open a collection of meme pictures. Let's try to guess the number again. I think it will be number 5. There is such big with this monkey from Shrek. Let's finish the collection Guess the Millionaire. He may dream of wealth, but in reality he lives in poverty. And we have finished this collection. And now we will open the bunker. And I say that we are not taking it, so we will stick it here. She wanted to take her camera with her. She is 23 years old. She has no sense of smell and never lies. She loves to cook all kinds of dishes. Hers are all sharp and she eats raw meat. This is her peculiarity. Avatar of paper blockers. Let's open Paper Queen. This is a paper channel. 2 collections left. We will of course open 1999 in the first. We open at 12. And the case is iPhone 17. You can guess any number, maybe you can guess now. This is the number 3. This is a popular album cover by Adriana Lonker, and the album is called Songs. I think that you should know at least one of the songs. For example, the songs Anything, which was popular on TikTok, and this cover was drawn by her grandmother, Jana Lee. Write if you have fans or just know Adriana Lonker. Well, that was all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell and leave comments. I love you all very much. Also subscribe to my Telegram channel and Pinterest. Okay, bye bye.